Hi YouTubers, welcome back. Okay, Pikachu, swat that bothersome fly. Oops, I'm screwed right now, aren't I? 50, 40, 30, 21. And he survived! Oh god, Pikachu, you are my hero! Pikachu is my hero! This is the most epic win ever! We survived Psychic and we defeated Venomoth! I'm so happy right now. We defeated Koha. You have proven your worth. Here, take the soul badge. We got money and a soul badge. Now that you have the soul badge, the defense of your Pokemon increases. It also lets you use Surf outside of the battle. You know what? Take this too. It contains Toxic. It's a secret technique over 400 years old. Yeah, sure, and now Elvis Presley. Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, baby, swim. Step on. Yeah. Swim, baby. Yeah, are you happy? Okay, now you're just walking creepy, Pikachu. That's not a good thing. That seriously is not a good thing. Maybe you, yeah, that's a good thing actually. Technical machines, they are CDs, and how do you teach them to your Pokemon if Pokemon were real? Well, my answer to that actually, put it on a DVD and go next to your Pokemon and do some exercise with it. Like 1, 2, 1, 2, strike, strike, 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah. So, come on, Renzo Cookin L. That's very. I'm just. Now I'm sick and tired, actually. Enough! We had some battles here to do, remember? Oh, hello. Na, 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 na. Oh, it's a bird keeper. Okay, this is not going to be nice. Anyway, we are already almost at the point that Wartortle is going. So, yeah, whatever. Let's put out a Fearow. If you can't defeat Spearow, you can't defeat my Fearow. Dude, you suck. Lol. They keep telling me that I have to change my Butterfree. But hey, if I want to have it Dratini, then yeah, we have to do something actually. So yeah. So then Butterfree will be changed. Maybe. Maybe, I guess. Oh, I have to take Shadow Lily. No, because I have Wartortle. Turtle. Blastoise, maybe later. Look at my Wartortle, he's so strong! Oh. I'm just here pressing the A button actually. I can do everything with my other hand, you know, like opening my drinks here. Oh wait. Now, yeah, you saw me pressing only the A button. Why are you using Furry Attack at me? I don't like that. Yeah, that's true, but I also can make Blastoise teach Ice Beam. Stop using that stupid attack, it's lame. And come on, Wartortle, go a level up. Because otherwise it has no point. Are you biting me too? Fuck off. Wartortle will grow to level 35! Maybe we can let him evolve. He just has to need one more push. One more level. It's enough. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, of course you like Lapras, I know. What should you call your bird? Maybe Cuckoo? Cuckoo? Or Hoot Hoot? Hoot Hoot? Oh no, that's a Pokemon in the second series. Like, yeah, let's call our Pokemon Hoot Hoot! Hoot Hoot! It's the most ridiculous name of a Pokemon, seriously. Who's going to call his Pokemon Hoot Hoot? Ouch. No way, no way, no way, no way. Fine. Pikachu, you finish him. Yeah, what's the next thing? A train? I just wanted to mention it, lol Smutskip. I just wanted to mention it. What's going to be the next name for a Pokemon? A train Pokemon called Toot Toot! Anyway, let's stop making fun of him. So, Wartortle, you really need to evolve very fast because I'm getting very pissed off. I'm running out of super potions too. Oh, that were all the trainers. Okay, what for Pokemon can we find here? Let's just go in the grass and don't find any Pokemon. Whoa, and look at that, we find finally a Pokemon. What is it? It's a rat! Ew! Bite it! Kill it! Murder it! Come on, there must be a better Pokemon to find here. No, that's a Pokemon that we didn't have. So, it's a Spearow at level 22. Don't care about the level, we're just going to catch it. Oh, that's enough! Thank you. Okay, Great Ball, go! Okay, now we have to get a name. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. We have a name. Oh yeah. No! I don't want to catch a Pharaoh. Because I don't feel like it. It's Celebi actually, and not Cerebi. But who cares? Do we want to use Cut? Yes, I do! Venusaur, you... No, you didn't have Cut. Sorry, that was Charizard. I just wanted to say Charmeleon, but he evolved, so yeah. There's the Pokemon Market. Alright. Hey, we can buy Ultra Balls now. And Hyper Potions. Oh, Revive. Really something I needed. Let's take 10 of them. Yep. Super Repel doesn't need Hyper Potion. Yeah, let's buy some Hyper Potions for a change. I think 20 should be enough for now. Okay, don't want to waste all my money actually, because I also have to go to the, yeah, 12 is enough. We also have to go to the Safari Zone actually, so yeah, that's all about stats, so... What's that? What's this? Omanyte, a Pokemon that resurrected. Okay, yeah, but we will have a Kabuto. Kangaskhan. Still, I have to figure out how I am going to do that to you guys on YouTube. Because if we're really going after the... yeah, if we really are going upwards to check out everything... yeah, I can't record everything, of course, otherwise it's going to take way too long. So I have to think of something, and I probably will, so... Well, I'm going to heal my Pokemon. Stay tuned for the next episode, and then we're going to that Pokemon thingy. So stay tuned, YouTubers.